Kapajska International New Artisan Educator here, and I've got another unboxing video for you. It is an awesome parcel, and let's see what we've got inside. So I got those stuffs from SHEIN, and you have guys enjoyed the last video. So let me see like how many goodies we've got in here today. And I'm gonna pick up the first one. So that's a really beautiful pink marble brush set. And obviously in this room we do like beauty treatments. So those brushes are gonna be mine because the case is so pretty. Actually, it would do really nice for a nail brushes case as well. But they're nice and fluffy, and I will be able to do my makeup. I'm not wearing much today because we've got really nice and beautiful weather, but this case looks so pretty, and honestly it would be actually a really good one for storing your nail brushes too. So a dual function, I love that one, definitely. What else we've got in here? I have, okay, so I am obsessed with taking a nice nail pictures, and I have got probably the most of it, like, so there is gonna be, look how pretty is that. You will love that, Juliet, and you will suit it so much as well. I'm in with Juliet today, she's recording the video with me. Look at this pretty butterfly clamp. It's like an absolutely unbelievable and amazing, like for a hair. I'm actually gonna, not that way, like I will need to put the bunny up, but it will look awesome for the nails as well. Like imagine like shooting a nice picture of the nails, and then you can just place it as a background. I think it looks absolutely amazing. And it has a wee chain which you can also attach it as well, like it has a wee clip, and you would just attach it on one of the sides. So I do got actually quite a few of those butterflies, as you can see it here. I've got another one because I was absolutely obsessed. And then I've got another one, just exactly, no, yes, no, this one is different, okay. And this one is different. I'm gonna unbox them for you as well, because honestly it's such a pretty accessory, like to take a picture of. And I used to also have like a wee perfume bottle which was full of crystals, and a small bag. It looks like a handbag, but it's like full of crystals, and I used to love taking the pictures of it. Now here we've got another butterfly. Wow. Again, Olivia will be obsessed with it, and it will really suit Juliet as well, like really nice and pretty, beautiful butterfly. And again, you can see it, it goes amazing as a backdrop for pictures of your nails. And then I've got another one. They all kind of very similar, so you can see it. This one has a wee chain which you would attach into it as well. Look at those flowers. Like, I think this would be a really nice inspiration as well, like this kind of pearly, goldy look for the nails, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that will look super cool. Let me put that on the side. What else we've got in here? Search for something interesting. Okay, some collagen moisturizing face mask. Of course, I'm not gonna put it on right now because I will look really funny. And we do have, oh, that's a scrub. Coffee bath salts. I love salts. Like we do take a nice bath with Patrick, and we always put some bath salts in it. So it can, like different bath salts can absorb through your skin. And this is such a relaxing experience. Also guys, with the packaging, this comes to my mind because I was doing the last unboxing video for you when we had those beautiful plates for keeping the sweets in the salon. And believe it or not, what Patrick did, he actually took those foam boxes, he stocked them because there was 3 bowls. One was bigger, medium, and a smaller. You can watch that unboxing video for SHEIN as well. And what he did, he put those boxes one on top of another, so he created like a tower which looks like a birthday cake. And then he put the sanding, the plaster over it, so it looks like a cream. And now I'm gonna decorate it with the roses for a coming photo shoot. So absolutely awesome way to do it. Now I've got a full pack of the hair bubbles. They are gonna be for the Sunbest clients, just to give them a bit of comfort, like when they can. Nice and pretty scissors, and pink of course, and the gold because I love that. They are not the most precise, I would say. I quite like the ones which are much thinner, but they will be good to look nice. and cut like bigger things. So what else we've got in here? Gosh, so much stuff. So much stuff. I give you also the discount code if you like any of the items in the description of this video. And again, we are going to reuse that, so do not bin it. We've got fruit and plant facial toner, which is supposed to exfoliate, shrink the pores and cleanse the skin. I'm gonna give it a try because I am quite sensitive with the skin and I have to pretty watch it what I'm using for. We've got pretty mirror, so I can check later on how my brows are looking. Because it's a brow day today. I'm gonna just put some tint and shape into my brows. And we also have another brush set. So that one is quite large. And my brushes needed really badly replaced. But I'm loving this one. The marble one is just unbelievable. They were actually really amazing price as well, and I'm quite surprised for the quality. So you've got a wee wash bag coming in here and some bands. You do have a variation of the different sponges. Oh, let me check what. Oh, this is what I'm gonna use the scissors for. There we are. Nice and sharp. Oh, okay, so it comes with the eyelash curler and lots of different sponges for blending, and also a wee tray where you can clean actually your brushes. And there's a one brush which I'm gonna definitely steal it for doing pigments, because I was missing a brush which would be like really nice and fluffy, like almost an shading brush to apply the pigments. So usually those kind of eyeshadow brushes are perfect to apply the nail pigments. But also we have tried those gold leaf foil technique, and I'm gonna see it if any of those larger brushes are gonna be much faster for removing the gold leaf. I think that will be pretty interesting. Then I've got some body scrub in here, and it's of course coffee smell as well, because I love coffee. I am like definitely, I cannot start my morning without a coffee. My pressure is usually quite low, so we've got some coffee, Dead Sea Salt body scrub. It's actually quite a nice packaging, I would say. We makeup bag. Lots of goodies in here, honestly. But I love the most the hair clips because they look just so perfect. So yeah, that's where we can put our brushes in. There we are. Make it nice and tidy. I think I should actually squeeze it, all of it. So yeah, the bag is really nice size. You can squeeze lots of stuff in there. There we are. Making things nice, clean and pretty. And the next stuff we've got in here, let me clean it a little bit, so use the scissors again, is probably some brush storage box as well. Yes, that's what it is. So I've got actually already a tray which is a similar kind of design, so it will go really nice on my dressing table. Or I might keep it actually here. I might actually keep it here because it looks so nice and classy, like, and it's gonna be nicely covered, so you can just put different brushes. I mean, in our case in here, like I'm doing eyebrows in there, so I will be storing like eyebrow tint brush, or like even some scissors, different things, and it will look actually quite pretty in here. There we are. So definitely my favorite thing is those beautiful butterfly clips. I think they are absolutely amazing, and so does the flower ones as well, like, because they will go so pretty with the with the nails, like even just like that. That's absolutely amazing. Let me know, guys, which one was your favorite item, and I hope you have really enjoyed this unboxing video. Sending you huge glittery hugs and looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!